So I come to another unboxing of stuff I buy from BTS because I don't need it, but I want it. This I actually bought because I activated a coupon on a shopping page with the points I collected. So I was afraid I would lose it, and I ordered something I kind of wanted. But of course, it's better to wear it for other merchandise of BTS. But here we are, me having bought it, and now sending a question to how to open it. How to open this box. Oh. Funny is, I looked at it before studying the video and I wouldn't find it. I was like, maybe I'll find it. Just that shitty and I find it. So it's packed really well. And just two things. Oh, they are gray. I suspected they were white. So, oh. Really well, as always, and I suspected them to be actually really white. Maybe I forgot. I hope they fit me. I might have, or should have, chosen a bigger size. I choose larger because I like the colors the most. They really fit my interior design aesthetic. Because as you can see, I like gray a lot. So let's see if they fit me. Or if they're too small. No, actually they're right. Oh, and they look way bigger than I thought. And more fluffy. Ooh, I love them. Maybe so I'll be wearing them. No, it's red and gray. I just looked at the pictures and saw it on the pictures and I don't know what I'm choosing. I always buy BTS stuff when I'm depressed, like not in my original mind, because then I wouldn't really spend money on stuff. And like not even food. And like it depends on the food. I guess you know, expensive food that you really want to eat isn't good for you. Cake. Makes you happy. This is coming later because they had, I call it typhoon in Korea. They said the production would take longer, so I'm really curious what it will be like. The packaging is just hilariously good. They packed really well, and they're packed perfectly for earlier. And I got extra photo cards. It really shows good pictures, and the quality is really good. They're shop or self-made. They're really good. Actually, looks really good. Pretty J-Hope. So, and this is what I got. It's the Who Knows BTS Best Game. I think this is the pre-order benefit. Oh my god, I ordered really. Oh my god, why do you always stick this like this on there? My first ever weapon. No, please. Oh my god. It's still sticky. So, what? Oh, it's a cover picture. It's awesome. They're like, could I have gotten different ones? Back in there. So, you said that it's sticky. Just look at the official page from Hubert Shop for a moment, and let's find out if it is. I could have prepared all this, but I'm always through the wind. So let's see. Is it too much? Which one is it? Product. It's color. Oh, there it is. That's the English version, first edition. So it's included exclusive BTS code card, limited. The special product team. It's the same in the Korean and the English version. And it's, yeah, it doesn't matter which one. It's just a pre-order gift, but I got a VRS pre-order gift. It's the same, the other edition. And it does look like this, right? It's just so pretty. I wish I had a frame in this size. Really good. Let's set up this part is sticky. I need to find something to remove it. And oh, it's really heavy. Really heavy. So now we need to make army friends to replay this game. So this is what it contains. Unrunner's bonus 100% yes cards. Special cards and a possessor are inserted randomly. It's pretty, right? So these ones are always different, right? Oh. Now you see all my question cards. One specialty. This is the 100% yes card. So they have platinum, which is seems super sparkly. Then they have diamond, which is, I think this is diamond. Then they have, it's 15% chance. Then they have gold. And the normal one. Or no, this is a different one. These are the ones. I should check all the information beforehand, but it's more fun if I don't. And that's why I don't like check it fully. Just check enough if I want to buy it or not. So these are the gold ones, which are, and they say here's correct. This 7 member 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can count. So we have JK, V, Jimin, J-Hope, Suga, Jin, and RM. Well, yes, I can count because these are 7 and I counted 8. So yeah. Pretty. And then we have the normal ones. And the normal ones. And these are no cards. No, maybe cards. And putting him on top. Ching. And what else? Answer the questions. So I'm not gonna show you the question because the text will be all different from the game. The other side lots of questions there. So let's put it on here. So because this is everything, I will show you the cards clearly. I don't know if everybody has the same ones. I guess I'm gonna look up unboxing from other people and look at their cards. But these are all known pictures, so Army, no, there's pictures, right? Can't find them on the internet. The album, Diamond and Butter. These are Permission to Dance. And they have older ones. This pastel color is also Butter. Permission to Dance. These are new ones. See also the Butter, peach and cream color in the background. And they also had coffee with this one. Actually, I don't know this much, but yeah, that I know. And more older ones. Baby cards. When I move, it will take a while. I have friends, and I'm gonna make them play this with me. So, out of the pack. And this is sticky, so maybe put it in like this. And that's it for the BTS unboxing. Because I still have time, I'm gonna show you something I bought